So we understand you raised a new round. Congratulations. Tell us sort of the proceeds of the round and how that's going to help you guys develop and what might be next for Veoh.
Sure. Well, look, this is our fourth round. We raised $30 million, and these investors are strategics, so Intel and Adobe and Gordy Crawford from Capri and our existing folks. And so we're growing very rapidly, so we need capital to continue to expand our operations and build out sales and innovate. That's really what we've been doing now for just over 3 years.
So Veoh is sort of a mixture between a video publishing site and an aggregation site as well. Tell us what it does and how it's different.
Sure. Well, it aggregates video. I was going to say aggravates, but aggregates video from all around the internet. So we have over 100,000 publishers that publish video to us, ranging from big studios to independent producers, and then we aggregate video from kind of all the major video sources. CBS, Viacom, and other big networks, to YouTube and Daily Motion, to Hulu. All of that can be found within Veoh. And on top of that, we stack a recommendations engine, an intelligence layer that helps you discover specifically the things that you're interested in. And so that's
something you guys created?
It's something we created, and we've been building it really from day one of this company. We've always believed that kind of the holy grail was connecting consumers with the right video. In the world of 400 cable channels, it's difficult to do. In the world of millions and millions of kind of TV shows on demand, it gets that much more difficult. And
so tell us about the whole advertising scenario, how you're solving that, or how that might develop.
Well, advertisers are seeing the value in new media and are, I think, moving to new media very aggressively. And so we have very large brands that are advertising on Veoh, and they're looking for a number of things. One, they're looking for a large audience, and Veoh last month had over 28 million unique users that watched almost 50 million hours of video. So clearly we bring that. They're looking for targeting, and everything from kind of traditional targeting of geographic and kind of psychographic, males between this age and that age and interested in this. But even more so, they're looking for more interesting ways of targeting. Everyone that watches a car video, we want to be able to follow them around to other videos, even when they're watching videos about cats with yarn ball. We know that these people are interested in cars. So we're experimenting with a lot of targeting, and all of that kind of falls back into that recommendation technology that I was just telling you about. They're actually extremely interrelated, our targeting server and that recommendation technology.
So tell us about the insertion of ads, either sort of as banners or in-stream, and also how you solve that with videos that come from other sources. Tell us about the whole advertising ecosystem on Veoh.
Sure. Well, we're still, as everyone, we're still really experimenting with advertising. We have lots of ads on the site, but we are still trying to figure out what the right mix is. So we play around with all kinds of ads. We serve traditional display ads, IAB standard display ads of all types. We serve pre-rolls and mid-rolls and post-rolls and semi-transparent overlays, sponsorships, all those things are there. And consumers overall respond pretty well to all those units. You just need to be smart about what you show to whom. And I think that's really the key in advertising. I mean, when you're showing consumer relevant ad, they actually don't feel that you're being really interruptive. They feel that you're, in a sense, being complementary to their experience.